with the big snap that.
That's my three. Yeah.
What is that?
Edge.
Oh.
Let me get that.
Like, what's your discipline look like versus like just an average baseball player or kid your age?
My discipline is that I work out every day from like 12 to 4, and after that I'll just hang out with friends or something. And with that, honestly, my disciplined eating is not good. I eat like crap, but I kind of work it off anyway. So yeah, I go to bed like every night at like 12 or 1. But I'm a kid, so I can. It's fun. You know what I'm saying?
You work out those times just during summertime?
No, when there's school, when I get out of school, I immediately go hit, and then I'll work out right after. My workout place that I go to has like she was telling me that you had the big puffer up things, and I do bands and stuff before I pitch and everything.
What about you, Aiden?
Usually me, big, medium current, big current. Homies, so we wake up at 5:30 and go to the gym, get a little workout in. And then after that, me and my boy right here play some basketball, we play some hoops. And you know me, I cook him every time, obviously. Yeah, Fridays the boys play pickleball in the morning. Yeah. Me and him teammates. Still the go right there, another teammate. We win every time against my dad and his little work buddy.
What's your discipline every day?
Wake up at 5:30, go to the gym. I go to bed at like 9 now. Cause like some days I'd be going fishing at like 1 a.m. So.
We go at 5:30 in the morning?
Every day.
Okay, what were you saying, Trinan, about your discipline?
I would say my discipline's good. Like obviously, like I have to train every day, work out every day. For the most part, I eat good. It's not like I eat like this. Mom, would you say I eat good? I eat good.
Like, why do you not have the mentality like that? Like, I'm 14.
Trying to get ripped, you know. Trying to get big. Nah, look, you do go to sleep early.
By like 10:30, his dinner passed out. Like, bro, turn off the light, bro. Like, bro,
You told me to turn my brightness
We always
down.
get in arguments. Turn off the light.
Turn your brightness down, you can see your phone.
Put your arm back around him.
Yeah, I'm the best pickleball player all time.
Whoa.
Gonna win. Me and Cary, but it's a team effort though.
Second to me.
Hey, team
Get
effort.
flipped up.
It makes it fun. It makes it fun, right? What's that, Cary? That's almost alright. You got it, Cary? I got it. Oh, hit the frickin'. I got it. That's a fault.
That hit the middle of the line.
Exactly.
No, pero no duro, no entiendes.
Or first 11.
Who's winning?
I don't know.
Yes. He messed up. Get it up. Oh shit. Yeah! 7-7.
Bro, why are you hitting it?
I got it. Get over it.
Over him. Can't hit it over him.
Get up there.
Oh!
2-7.
It's pickleball. What do you mean? Stop doing that, bro.
Yeah. 10-7. Don't even. Yo, hit that shit. Get it back.
Game 1 dub.
Kearney and Trendon, absolute cheeks.
Yeah.
Down by 7 on the come up.
The first 5 points was me, bro.
Look at this.
The first 5 points was me. My teammate, bro, he let them come back, bro. Like, honestly, towards the end of the game, it was my fault.
Trendon sold Kearney. Trendon sold Kearney.
Bro, next game, the warm-up game.
No,
Hit it over them, you would hit it.
I would hit it over them, then you would hit it.
I was behind you like that. All of
Yeah, get up on the net like him, obviously.
If I get up
We're
on
like
the net,
4 foot.
you
We're
need
like
to
4
let me
inches
get
bigger
up on
than
the
that.
net, not you.
We both get up on the net, but we're really 4 inches bigger than that. Dude, what are the rules? You just can't spike it? Bro. Not spike, bro. Randall, watch it one time. Tira tú.
Y'all are ruining this audio.
Hey, no spiking? Question mark?
That's not spike. That's not a spike. No.
Yup.
What? Atta boy! Hey, para!
That's out.
Vamos, coño! No! Hey! Go! Oh, over him. Hey!
Look how he's sitting at the desk. What's the game up to now?
2-11, 1 by 2. You're like that. Not yours. Daddy L. Yeah, you can do that. Our boy hit it. What? It has to go to Daddy L. You never say that. Let's go. All right, ready, sir. Yeah. Sure. Are you tired? Sí, bueno. Déjala. Sí, bueno. Nothing on that. Get over. Am I going next? No, I'm going to Sebastian. Oh! How is it? You are like a girl, bro.
Go, game 2 dub again. Seba, me is Miranda, Dario.
I had no clue what they were saying the whole time, but it's all right. We won.
Game 3, about to go 3-0 right now.
Wait.
¿A quién tenía de borracho? A ti. Estamos así, mira. Estás loco, dale, ponte a jugar. Eres una mierda. Aclaro. That's it, right? Oh, that's right. Oh, that spit is crazy. Yo, Nathan. I got it. Ready? You play good?
That's out.
That's it. Hey! Oh, good play. I got it. Oh, that's sweet. No. I'm that guy. Oh my God.
Voy a striker.
Here we go.
Voy a striker.
Pero Striker sabe, porque le dieron para allá.
Only when the ball doesn't go over the net.
Y tú no ayudabas un carajo.
I got it.
Mira cómo se atienta.
Stop it up like that.
Yo, Striker. 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 Striker.
Out.
Does that go in?
Was that in? That was in.
That was definitely out either way. Yeah! Igualito.